Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Warren Masemola returning to Skeem. His character, Felix Khupane, caused havoc on Teflop streets right away. He hasn't been seen in action for a few months. The good news is that Warren Masemola will be returning to the educational drama on SABC1. Khupane, a native of Tefluop, entered the scene in November after relocating to Johannesburg to work as a taxi driver. A few months after his son Smagis mysteriously vanished, he then appeared out of nowhere. He pursued everyone he thought might have knowledge of his son's disappearance in an attempt to learn the truth. The award-winning Warren was hailed as a star after a few episodes. Many viewers argued that he should win an acting award for the role because he was so good at it. The fact that Warren is back in the building and seeking closure will please those viewers. It appears that he is still looking into the true circumstances surrounding his son's death. Since nobody is safe, Tef is about to go crazy again. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.